We're gonna make a tray. We're gonna make a candle holder, and we're also gonna revamp this perfume bottle. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is take our Elmer's glue, and we're gonna go ahead and put a generous amount on the perfume bottle. Okay, after we've completely saturated it with the glitter, we're just going to put it to the side and let it dry. Okay, we're going to go right into the second DIY. Okay, for this DIY, we're going to make a candle holder, and we're going to use some clear Elmer's glue. We're going to use some of these clear diamond confetti. We're going to use our brush, a mirror that I purchased in bulk at Walmart. We're going to use these round bubble drawer pulls. I got them from Amazon. We're also going to use this clear acrylic disc. I got this from Amazon. We're going to use these candle holders. I got this from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. These tealight candles from Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, y'all, is we're going to go ahead and put our mirror on top of the disc. We'll try to center it in the middle as much as we can. Y'all know me. So, and it's I already have an adhesive on the back. So the next thing we're going to do is take one of our door pulls or drawer pulls or whatever they are. We're going to put hot glue on it. Now, y'all, I do recommend that you use E6000 or some heavy duty glue if you're going to like actually, you know, keep these. I'm just doing it for demonstration purposes only. So if you're going to use these candle holders, I would recommend you use a stronger, you know, glue than hot glue. And y'all, I am seriously going to try to get this as straight as possible. Y'all know me. So, but I'm sure y'all can get it straight, you know, straighter than I can. But I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes only. Okay, y'all, we're gonna let everything dry. I think it's so cute, y'all. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna come back and put everything together. Okay, everyone, so let's get right into this next DIY. We're gonna use these white, well, they're clear diamond confetti. We're gonna use these gems from Michael's. So what I did was I just mixed them together so it can give a more glam effect. I'm going to use some clear glue, hot glue, and a glue gun. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this over. And I'm going to go ahead and put these this back together. You can tell that this was handmade because it was and I think I showed you the before. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue around here, not too much because I may redo this, just to give it a little hold. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these gems that I mixed together. We're gonna go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna put our glue down first. And this is just to keep it in place. That's a lot. I want to personalize this for someone, so I'm going to use some letters. I think that will kind of like make it look a little bit more personalized. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the, let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on the left side, or should I put it here? No, I'm going to put it on this side. Y'all, her website is called Dazzling Beauty Collection, and she sells really nice shades and different items. They vary, So check out her website. It's called Dazzling Beauty Collection. Okay, y'all, I think that's cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glass in. And then we're gonna kind of like let it dry. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and, y'all, I had to use some what you call it, this power drill. I don't normally do that, but I'm gonna do that to put the put it back together, because like I told y'all, whoever made this, it was made of some really, really good wood. So I don't know, I think that's like amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and put these put it back together, and then we're gonna come back and see how everything looks together. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how everything turned out. I think it looks amazingly beautiful. I think she's going to love this. It turned out so pretty and so glam. So y'all, if y'all like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.